Hello friends and welcome back to our channel. My name is Katora and in this video I will show you how to make a color changing potion. Let's get crafting. I showed everyone how to make a color changing potion last year and wasn't planning on revisiting it until I was out shopping for Halloween decor and found this cute little bottle with a bat stopper at Big Lots. Also, it's been a year since I made the last video and my fantasy potion process has changed a little bit, and I thought it'd be fun to have this video up too because I used different ingredients than I did in the last video. And if you're interested in seeing what I did in the last video, I'll have it linked in the comment section below. Here are the ingredients you'll need for this potion. Let's start off with removing this label. I know we can do better. Fill the bottle a little over halfway with distilled water. Next, we are going to dye the water with orange food coloring gel and a teeny tiny amount of teal food coloring. By adding the teal food coloring with your orange, that'll pull back the brightness of the orange and it will add a richness to the color. You want to use about that much. Mix until the food coloring gel is completely dissolved. After the food coloring gel has dissolved, add your vegetable glycerin. I used about a teaspoon. When you are selecting the colors you'd like to use for your potion, it is easiest to go from light to dark. For this example, I'll be going from orange to purple. Add your mica powder. Start off with roughly 2 teaspoons. Depending on the color you choose to dye your water, you may need to add more mica powder to cover it up. Give it a good mix and add more mica powder if you need to. Top off the bottle with more distilled water. Stop at the base of the bottle's neck. By leaving an air gap, this will help swirl the mica powder when you shake the bottle. Clean up the neck of the bottle. We just need to add some decorations around the neck to cover up the air gap and then a label. Reattach the stopper, and then this bottle is ready to be added to your apothecary. I would like to thank you for watching this video, and I hope this has inspired you to go out and make a color changing potion of your own. If you haven't already, please make sure you like this video and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this in the future, and I'll see you in the next video.